In today's video, get ready to experience a jaw-dropping ride into the future as we explore 10 mind-blowing futuristic gadgets that feel like they've been pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie, but are actually real and transforming the world right now. From wearable holograms that project 3D interfaces into thin air, to smart glasses that let you translate languages instantly as you walk down the street, the future of technology is happening faster than we imagined, and these gadgets prove that innovation is officially on another level. We dive into ultra-advanced AI personal assistants that don't just respond. They predict your next move, learn your habits, and interact with you like a real companion. Then there's the next-gen foldable touchscreen tablet that rolls up like paper, fitting into your pocket while offering a full workstation when unrolled. You'll see the world's first fully autonomous delivery drones capable of navigating complex cities, avoiding birds, buildings, and even bad weather. We highlight the smart home sphere robot that moves around your house like a cute AI pet, adjusting lights, controlling home devices, and even reminding you to drink water. Another impossible-looking invention is the 360-degree micro camera the size of a coin that records everything around you in Ultra HD, perfect for creators and adventurers. Then we explore the self-healing smartphone screen made from futuristic polymer that repairs scratches in minutes without needing any tools. You'll also witness the new generation of personal flying devices, compact jetpacks that let you soar 30 feet above ground, designed for emergency workers, travelers, and even thrill seekers. The list continues with the holographic keyboard that appears on any surface, letting you type in midair with laser precision. No physical device required. And finally, the real showstopper. The AI-driven smart mirror that analyzes your skin, health, and energy levels, then gives you recommendations like a digital doctor built right into your wall. These gadgets aren't just cool toys. They're powerful tools reshaping communication, entertainment, safety, and lifestyle. As we take you through each one, you'll see how quickly the boundary between imagination and reality is disappearing, and how the tech you once dreamed about is becoming part of everyday life. So sit back, relax, and let Motion Horizon take you on a futuristic journey you absolutely don't want to miss. And if you love exploring cutting-edge innovation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the future is arriving faster than ever, and we're here to guide you through every breakthrough.